everyone, my name is Miss Vanessa. I'm an English teacher at Vietang School. Today, I'm going to help you to learn how to use should or shouldn't to talk about your healthy habits. Let's have some fun together. Let's start with a quick game. I'll show you a picture and you say healthy or unhealthy. Ready? Apple. Healthy. Burger. Unhealthy. Running. Healthy. Playing video games too long. Unhealthy. Great job, everyone! You're doing amazing! Now let's learn how to talk about these habits using should and shouldn't. Now let's look at the board. We use this when we say something is a good idea. We have structure, subjects plus should plus verb. For example, you should eat vegetables. This means eating vegetables is a good idea. Okay, next, we use this when something is not a good idea. The structure is subject plus should not plus verb. We can say should not or we can say shouldn't. For example, you shouldn't eat too much candy. That means eating too much candy is not a good idea. The last one is the question. We use this when we want to ask if something is a good idea. The structure is should plus S plus verb. For example, should I exercise every day? The answer is yes, you should. No, you shouldn't. Here's a simple rule. After should or shouldn't, we use the base form of the verb. For example, you should sleep early, not sleeps. You shouldn't eat too much candy, not eats. Okay, now repeat after me. I should eat fruits. I shouldn't watch TV all night. Great! You're speaking so well. Now, let's practice together. I'll show you some sentences. You fill in the blank with should or shouldn't. Ready? Now, number 1. Correct. You should drink water every day. Number 2. Correct. You shouldn't eat too much junk food. Number 3. Correct. Should we brush our teeth every morning? Number 4. Correct. I shouldn't sleep very late on school nights. Number 5. Correct. You should play outside for exercise. Fantastic! You really know your should and shouldn't. Alright everyone, time for a quick challenge. Tell me, what should you eat every day? What shouldn't you do before bed? Should we exercise every day? You've done a wonderful job today. Good job, everyone. For homework, write 3 things you should do and 3 things you shouldn't do to stay healthy. For example, I should eat fruits. I shouldn't drink soda. Okay, if you have any questions, don't be shy. Just leave your questions in the comments and I'll answer them for you. Make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel and hit the bell so you won't miss our next fun video. Thanks for learning with us. See you very soon. Bye bye.